Okay, text and email blasts. Everybody has a database. This is part of our regular routine in our database. We actually do this daily. Weekly, you should be sending a text message to your prospects to your database. Automatic setup. You can do this through KVCore, guys. You can do this through KVCore. They should be getting texts, no emails, and even voice blasts from you. So if you want to use a voice blast system, there's something called slybroadcast.com. You can go there. Slybroadcast.com. I'm giving you nuggets today. Although, I tell you what, don't leave voicemails. Video text. But voice. So Sly Broadcast has something called slytext.com. If you don't have a database, or if you're not using KVCore, but if you're here, you're part of EXP, it's free to you. You definitely would want to use it because you can take all your leads and text them a video. What's another great video service for you is the BombBomb, right? BombBomb.
It's a part of, it's also a part of KVCore.
Oh, there you go. See, Juanita, she knows. Please interrupt Juanita dropping nuggets. I know you know. So there you go. So you can send video out to your clients. They can see your beautiful smiling face. Guess what? You could just record a 48-hour follow-up, a 24-hour follow-up, a 9 a.m. follow-up, and an hour before. You could record 4 follow-up videos today. Just keep switching your jackets or shirts if you're a guy. That's all you got to do. It'll take you about the videos are 15 seconds. You could record a minute worth of videos. Take 1 hour today, work on your business, because I hope you're not out showing homes on a Monday. It's a total waste of time, because all listing agents are figuring out which offers they're going to accept today. This is the day you work on your business, Mondays. Don't show houses on Mondays.
And they can do smart drip campaign with KVCore. So it's very easy. If you guys don't know how to do it, call me up. I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy.
There's also a lady on, if you want, she's part of EXP. Her name is Mona Carda, Karda. Go to YouTube, because I'm testing out KVCore right now. Mona Carda, MonaKarda. She's an agent at EXP, and she does all the training for KVCore. She has a YouTube channel.
She's amazing.
Yeah, she's awesome. And I talked to her the other day, last Friday. And so she has all the videos, step by step by step.
You say she's the KVCore expert? Is that
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yeah, she's teaching me, because I don't know much about KVCore, but it's all the same, right?